Hello everyone, my name is Kacem. I'm from Algeria. I came along to Pune, to India, to I-Medita especially, to have a course of CCIE Routing and Switching. I had a very good experience here with all the team. From all the team are very nice with me, with everybody, since the guard to the top of this company. The trainers were very qualified, very nice. I think this is the best place to be in India for a training like Cisco. I recommend this for everybody. This is not a compliment, this is the truth. So that's it. Thank you all to I-Medita, all the trainers, all the team. Thank you for your help and being helpful for me. Thank you.